long forward. This is a Thuringian water razor hone from Germany. It is lapped and chamfered on the working side. It's also flat on the back except for the ends where there's some unpleasantness, but let me zoom in for you. Zoom in. Salt marks. Telltale salt marks. I would call this dark blue. Let me just zoom into my finger. It's being a real pain about focusing on this stone. Anyway, the stone is 8 3/16 of an inch long by 1 11/16 of an inch wide by 25/32 of an inch deep. It is ready to go. And a very nice example of one of these. Real bench stone size, which is cool. It's also quite long, which, not that I think there's a big difference, but a little bit of added real estate is a nice thing to offset any perceived speed differentials between this and other colors. Not that it's all that important. Anyway, dark blue Thuringian. Thank you.